In drone registration, it's required if your drone is between 0.55 pounds to 55 pounds. Now, there are waivers that you can get for these operational rules, but we'll just touch on them at the end. I'm just going to say how to be compliant with the rules as they are today without going for a waiver. So, the weight of the drone is the weight plus the cargo and your use. So, you can have several different uses. You can have civil uses, such as for government. You can have commercial uses which is what I am, a commercial 107 pilot, and you can have recreational rules. So what you need to do is you go to the FAA Drone Zone website and you create yourself an account and you choose your use and you attach the ID that you're given to the drone. Now, like I said, it's for commercial and recreational. I've got both registrations. Recreational, that registration goes on all my recreational drones, and for commercial, every drone has to be certified and registered on its own. So it's $5 for registration. It's relatively cheap. And at Drone Education Services, we're really pushing that people register their drones. I read something this morning that over 20 million households have stated that they have drones, and that's a large number when only 1,700,000 are registered. So we need to make a big push to get people to register their drones.